Sectional view of the true shape of the given cylinder. A cylinder base diameter 50 mm and height 60 mm rest on base on HP and perpendicular VP and inclined to 45 degree HP. The cutting plane meets axis distance from 50 mm from the top base side. Okay, there are the sectional plan and true shape of given section by dividing the circle to the front view. Okay, next, as usual, AutoCAD. After basic commands, limit, enter 0, 0, enter 210, 297 here 210, 297. Okay, then as usual, home page, take rectangle 0, 0, 210, 297. Zoom all, rectangle command 0, 0, 210, 297, enter. Take a line, just draw one horizontal line, this is XY. Then take circle, that is the diameter is 50 mm. So radius, have to pick here, radius 25, enter. Take line from the midpoint to that's arc, mirror array command, polar array, select object, enter, select base point, number of items 8, enter. Now you have to draw the projection lines, single line text. Okay, text height 4, angle 0, then give numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. I will mark 8 here. Then take this line to the XY line, then 8th to this XY line, 7th to the projection line, then here to here, then 5th to here. Then take rectangle, pick that point 50, the height is 60, so 50, 60, enter. The height of the cone is height of the cylinder is 60, center line. From the top base 15 you have to mark it, so 15, enter. Take line, ortho off, shift at or approximate distance you have to given 50, angle 45, enter. Then using extend option, so extend, select this line and that line, put enter. So extend line, how to click it, so this line will be extended. Okay, then take line, extend these lines, here the cutting line, so you have to draw up to the mark. Okay, if ortho is on, it will be okay, otherwise it will be wrong. So again you have to delete this line. Ortho on from the cutting point to the extended surface. Just extended line, we may use trim command to delete this. Okay, using trim command, delete this one. Okay, from the top surface take line, so take line ortho on, ortho off, take line from the center point to shift at give a approximate distance. I will give 60, close, again take shift at, give the velocity angle 135, that is 45 plus 180, 45 plus 90, that is 135. Then we may use copy command here, copy that line, enter, center point to center point. Again we using copy command, copy, select this line, enter, the base point to that base point, this base point, and the intersection base point. Then put escape. Then you have to measure XY line. Single line test. Give the members. So as with the height 4, 0, angle, then 1 dash, here 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, then take dimension XY to first line, that is the second one. So from the XY plane to second intersection point, the distance is 67, third to third one 74, then fourth line, that is intersection line, fourth one, so it is wrong. From XY plane only we have to select, from XY plane here X, Y to fourth one, that is 64, Then again we have to take the third line, that is also seventh line. So xy to seventh one, fourth to sixth, then third xy to seventh. That is 24. Then second also 8. So this length to measure. So this xy plane line to 8th one. Then please note all the dimensions carefully. 49, 67, 74, 64, 34, 24, 31. Note it separately. It will be very useful to draw the lines. Okay, we have to note it one by one only. Next. Okay, go to bilayer, change line color. It is not necessary. So just take line, shift at first distance, that is 49. So shift at 49, shift angle 135. So next distance, shift at 67 and angle 135. Next distance from here to shift at 74, angle, shift angle 135. Shift length 74, shift angle 135. Then shift at 64, angle 135. Next you have to change the color. So by layer, take yellow color, take line from here to here, next dimension 34, 135. Next take line, next dimension 24, angle 135. Next dimension 31, angle 135. We can mark the point by easily. So type in comment box P type, enter, select a point type, select any one. So I will select this. OK. Then type PO, enter, select the points, this one, and the yellow color ending point this one, then yellow color ending point this one, and this line ending point, this line ending point, then this line and this line, then escape. Next we are using spline command. So type spline, enter, join the lines, join the points, pick here, pick here, pick here, and right click, enter. Go to hatching option, hatch, select hatch, and select hatching style, whichever one. Select this, select here, select all the. Have any doubt, please comment in comment box. I will answer to you. Thank you. Sectional view and true shape of given cone. As usual, AutoCAD command 50 mm diameter, and as usual draw the line and use array command, polar array, select object, enter, then make item as 8 and give the notation ABCD up to H. Okay, the projection line here to here, here to here, here to here. Then take line ortho on the center, the height is 75, so put 75 and enter. Take again line and join this cone. Top to 37.5, that is a midpoint, so 37.5, enter. Then ortho off, shift at approximate distance, I will give 50, angle 45. Then using extend option, extend, select the two lines, enter, then select the extend line. Okay, now I have to draw the projection lines. So take bilayer, change color, I will take yellow from the first cut point to the first arc point. So first cut point to first arc A, so this is one line. The second cut point to B, this is one line. So we may on the ortho on, just to draw the extended line, and may use trim option. So just I will extend the line only. Okay, then third one we don't know, so next we have to move on the fourth intersection point, fourth intersection to that D. Then fifth one, fifth intersection point to E. Okay, third and seventh we don't know, so we will use another technique. From a point here, so take take line, trim command, trim, select this line and this line, enter, and trim. Take the line up to the intersection line. Okay, up to cone surface to here. from the center point of the cone. By using circle command, you should draw the circle. The circle intersection point at C and G line is known as a distance between the XY line and intersection line. The circle is very important, the center point to that corner intersection. So this is one line, then this is one line. Okay, initially I will delete, but you don't delete this, it will again reuse. Okay, take line, dimension the first line XY to first A. Okay, that is 44. I will change the color, similar colors, dimension, XY plane line to the first A, the second intersection to this line. So from this XY plane only we have to measure the dimension. So next 56. This dimension will vary according to the distance that already you drawn the circle. Okay, third one, so third circle here, that is 57. It will confusing, so we may draw the circle. Okay, this is the intersection point. Then again fourth one, so fourth line to D, the dimension, then fifth line to E, that is fifth line, E distance. So from here to E, 44. Then again the third intersection point to up to F. So that line will be take from XY, so here to F, the distance 37. This point to, that is 32. In second intersection point to H, the distance, second intersection point to H. We will note all the dimensions: 44, 56, 57, 51, 44, 37, 32, 30. You simply to note it. Observation will be able to draw as like previous cylinder. Okay, take line, center to center, ortho of as like previous one. I will give approximately distance 45, angle 135, and as usual copy comment, take this line, enter, select the base point here to move that line. Okay, then copy the line, center line carefully and put enter. and copy and paste it in correct manner. Okay, take line or a distance, shift at 44, angle 135. The next distance 56, angle 135. The next distance 57, 135 angle. Then shift at 51, angle 135. Then here to here 44, angle, shift angle 135. The next 37, so change color, it will be very easy. So only change color from this point to shift at 37, angle 135, enter. Then from here to shift at 32, angle 135. The next shift at next dimension 33, shift angle 135, enter. As usual, P type, enter, select the point type, pick OK. Then type PO, enter, mark all the points. The end point, yellow end point, here yellow end point, here yellow end point, this white and top all the points. Actually you have to give the notations for the points and x dash, y dash, etc., etc. You have to give the notations. After drawing you have to give all notations. Okay, then here also you have to note a point, first point, the second point, third intersection point here, fourth one here, the next G, H, the E point also you have to note it. So then escape. Then you have to use spline command. You may delete the circle. Spline command. Select all the points. Then right click, enter. Here also you have to join all the points. And right click, enter. Join all the points. hatching option, select hatch, hairstyle, you hatch this surface and sectional the bottom, here etc etc. You have to hatch. You have any doubt, please comment in comment box, and please like and subscribe this channel. Your valuable comments are welcome. There is another example for true shape.